Good morning, everybody, and welcome to my class again. I'm very happy to have you here, and today, April 13 of the 2020, we're going to work with an extra practice on set E exercises 5, 6, and 7 on page 446. All right. So then if you locate yourself into those pages, you will see that set E, exercise 5, says change 98% into the other two kind of numbers. In this case, obviously a fraction and a decimal. So first, how do we change 98 into a fraction? Well, do not forget that a percentage is always a part of 100. So then the fraction is obviously going to be 98 over 100. But then obviously you need to lower the fraction, and you will use it with the division of the greatest common factor for 98 and 100. If you look, dividing with 2 in both sides, you will have to do the division. In this case, we'll give you here 2 and 2. The answer will obviously be 49 and 50. If we continue to work, we know that 98% is easily written as 0.98. Don't forget this number, this decimal is you read it as 98 hundredth. So it's a part of 100th. Right, that's number 5. With number 6, situation is easier. You first need to lower the fraction with the greatest common factor. In this case, it's obviously 2. That will give you 2 fifths. So that's the lowest term fraction. That's the first thing. The second thing is to write it as a decimal, doing the division. 0 point, because 2 is too small for 5. 4. So that'll give you 20. So the decimal is 0.4. So 4/10 is equal to 0.4. Right now that you have the decimal, you need to change it as a percent. Don't forget, a percent is a part of 100. 100 has 1 and 2 zeros. So here means that you need to move this decimal point once, twice. So the percent will be 40%. All right. Now with exercise number 7, the situation is so much easier. First of all, you have 97 over 100. And because 97 is a prime, you don't have to lower the fraction. It's already done. And then this decimal, you read it as 97 hundredth, which means that it is 97%. Now I need you to copy this information in your notebook, and I'll see you in the next class. That the greatest common factor process is something we studied already, and it's exactly like this. So then here you will see that the greatest common factor for 98 and 100, it's 2. So then